everyone, welcome to Hirekingdom.com, where employers can easily connect with students and professionals. In our previous video, we showed you how to sign up and sign in as an employer on Hirekingdom.com. Now let's take the next step, posting a job or internship on the platform. It's quick, simple, and free. First, log into your employer account. Click on Employer and add the details. If you are new, just sign up with your company details. It takes less than 2 minutes. Click on Login. Once login, click on the Post Jobs or Internship button from your dashboard. Before posting job or internship, first you have to fill these details. So let's start from the beginning. The type of opportunity, whether internship or jobs. So for the demo purpose, I am selecting the internship. Now the internship details, that is the internship role. For example, I am selecting content writing internship. So start typing content writing. Select content writing and add the skills. But if there is any other profile like software engineer, which is not available, so click on profile not found. I will enter and then here type software engineer. And add the relevant skills to the software engineer. So let's continue with the content writing internship. Select content writing and add the skills. The skills are SEO writing, grammar, and proofreading. Start typing. Grammar and proofreading. Now the internship type, whether it's in office, remote base or combination. I am selecting remote base. Whether full-time or part-time. I am selecting full-time. The number of openings. The number of openings are 10. Type 10. Now the internship start date, whether immediately or later. I am selecting immediately. The internship duration on the basis of months or weeks, I am selecting months. On the basis of 1 month, 2 months, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am selecting 2 months. Now the intern's responsibilities, like write blog post, articles on assigned topics. So start writing. By typing more, you can add more intern responsibilities. Then who can apply? Only those candidates can apply who are available for full-time work from home internship and have relevant skills and interests and can start the work from home internship between these two dates and are available for the duration of 2 months. Now the additional candidate preference, like prior experience through blogging and personal projects. So start typing. Like this, you can add more additional candidate preference. Now the stipend and perks, whether fixed, negotiable, performance-based or unpaid. I am selecting fixed. For how much? Rupees 10,000 per month. Now the perks. I am selecting certificate, 5 days of week and free snacks and beverages. Now the cover letter availability and assessment question. This is the default cover letter question. Why should you be hired for this role and availability? Are you available to commit to a 2 months full-time work from home internship that is starting immediately? If not, then specify the duration in which you are available. Here you can add the assessment question by clicking on this. By typing, you can add the assessment question. You can add one more assessment question. Here you can type the second assessment question. At last, the alternate mobile number for this listing. Now you have to add the contact number by which the intern or job seeker will contact you. Review the details. Click on Post Internship. Your job or internship will go live instantly on hirekingdom.com and will be visible to thousands of fresh and verified candidates. And that's it. In just few steps, your opportunity is live on hirekingdom.com. Before we wrap up, in the next video, I will be showing you the job seeker's view. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. For more help, feel free to comment below.